Yamamo akwa bebio kai sekase eboni ho mfoni ani videos na ye de akogu eye Facebook ni so eye DLFM 106.9 akase eboni mu nchemu ankasa enie kwabna edubu ahia na ye former boss ede man national signals eye buria amabomode atimi achi ewa abra okoshe mu ewa economic and organized crime office ewa ye adwempo a court no eboye so omomomode anomo fa no enkotum na ya ade okoda honom na ya court ehye so onkoda honom eye nanso se na ebe ya nhwehwemu so betimi akoso de afasika sikasam ho boni bi a odi ene eye nhwehwemu bebra ebetimi akoso na ye former NSB boss ya ade omobo ne kwadu se wawie sika bi sanso na sika hodo bi atimi akoso wo honom a eno no ama oman no so yatimi ahwere sika bebre na omode no ekoto afiase ewe ye fiada kotoni ma bosomini de to sumienu ewo mfimpi mienu ene aduonunum a eye attorney general any minister for justice Dr. Dominic Ayene edibetu jasa bra no mu ye hwehwemu no na eye kwabna edubu ayin ede ne ho hwehwehwehwe ma chese enye asem ketwa na ya council ede ama eye kwabna edubu ahin eye Samuel ata achia ewa bra eye court nhwehweye no ekoso ebrada eye kotonima bosome ne de etoso eye dumiensa won fimpi mienu ene aduonunum no di tuja na ochebum se eye ade omode nsem bebre na ena di ato eye necklines kwabna dubu ahin so omobomodian ayemu hwehwemu sanso ana court na eye nhwehweye ne se omonsanfa no enkotu afiase na bro ne nsem chofo etwetwe nkomo no ochire mu nie eye sobo ahodro mo de abo eye ne clients kwabna edubu ahin yenti ensem a odi tuja
matter that they are investigating concerning him. So when he was supposed to have his freedom by their calculation, they released him midnight and then rearrested him on the basis of the newfound matters they were looking at. But the question is, in the period in which he had the freedom, why didn't they deal with the matter? And they'll leave it till midnight and rearrest him.
Enia wudi oti ye eye council ade makwabna edubu ahin eye Samuel ata achia. Yantoa kase abone so na ye investigative journalist eye Anas Aremiya wa Nas ede nsema betuja ede fa ye sika court no ateso ede free 18 million US dollars no ede akọ eye $500 as say no eye United States of America ya mo court na ewo honoma okọ one eye Canada Japan ekọ ya court no ka se Canada Japan interest ka no ema no we na eye court ne te so na eye Anas Aremiya wa Nas ede nsema betuja na ochiem se enye sika na o mate so no ane ha no esan se eye Canada Japan wa enka ne ona na eye mahwebedwani ede ma Asin Central no ode ne koye enye se sika no person gi na emom no wo ko sa ne be ya no kre ene atentene ne nso so ebetimi akoso wo esan se ensema hodra eye Canada Japan ekotena eye interview so won fimpimienu nu eye aduonu ba kunim ekokeka fa ne wonsa ne ho bon wakata hihye ne proye nna mu no koye no na chese enye saa anetie sanse adenti ana ono a ompe eye kata hihye ne proye no obetimi ede ne ho akwaji mu nti ende eye ne de pa se omukọ court no ometimi ehu se eye kata hihye ne proye ne nsema hodra eye Canada Japan ede to ne so no enya ade asa anetie nti ono de no kre ene atentene ne ana na openemom enye sika no yantoa kase abone so na eye timamni bia ye friend Eric Demenu Akaji ede eye de sedia krata de akoma Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice eye charge for say omomomode anamunye nhwehwemu enfefa eye Sami Jamfi ahonyade a wanya ne sanse ye na ebe kan ya eye acting chief executive officer Edema Ghana eye gold board eye Mr. Samuel Jamfi ebo modern akanska eye US dollars yibi Edema eye Nana Grada ye friend eye Evangelist Patricia Esiedu Esiama emani eye US dollars ya videos ni we to dwa nipa bebre na aka ho asem eye dom kuma mramra chebedwam krade nsem betu dwa ye chire ma ya de a omontwe eye Sami Jamfi ensan ye sanse ni obi a uya obi penny a ye hwe wo ne yetimi enso ya kwantimi akoyenim na obomodi aka nsika say e de ama agrada de ase entwa yie ama omobomodi anso de ne koye chief of staff onom se ne be obetimi atoto nano na we ye Eric eye de menu akache de betudwa na ochemu say o hwe article 218 clause eye e ne e wo ye 1992 Ghana mamra anima kwan bia ma eye try to me so betimi aye hwehwemu e de afa niam bia ye hu ne se eye katahyehe ene proye esasa de nti ana eye sasami jan filtimi kan sika duduo se Ghana ye breye papa into wo ska se na se betimi de aboa Ghana ade nti na afem bo na utika mu na wo kan sika na kwan ya na ofa so kra kan sika ne kire se eye ade ane ho bon e wo katahyehe ene proye mu sanso ana odi tudwa na ochire ma eye ade asami jan fi e wo eye private bank mienu eye account ni mienu e wo consolidated eye bank Ghana owo account ba ko ne ode dollars ana egum ba ko so the cedis ana egum ode bi ode pesiti eye 100 million Ghana cedis ana de to account ni mte wo say eye charge for obomode ana mu ye hwehwemu e de fa asem we hu adenti ana wo se ni party mikita sika we ni na e wo hu e wo ka mu achese otimi yi bi e de mana na agrada e wo abra man Ghana ye bre se nto ndo ogidi pa se eye de secret or de akoma charge yo mbebo modin aye hwehwemu e de afa no madi hu dwuma e de amane sanso yo man bapa ana sa ne omanfo bia dwuma wo so ye wo man mu ana oye nta de secret e de charge e mmomodi anu anye hwehwemu no emfa emma no Yantua Kasiabone so na Chief Executive Officer at the Mass Student Loan Trust Fund Dr. Sajida Shiraj and then some Tuja HM Yadi Aban at the 499.8 million Ghana cedis Abasanya Beya Ombetimi a first year student in Naka a Public College of Education any schools omo church a church for Sanya Beya omo sunu betimi abetre obiade no chema enya ade wo sesikasem akwansidi edimo obi biara kwan kankan na Ghana for Sanya Beya omo ntimi entwide omadisuan so entimi endu echire na niam omo dia be ya de omampani John Dramani Mahama edi hu dwuma ye pan Sanya Beya obetimi ayi obi afro ohia mu se ohia ntino ontimi enkota shawi enkosuade sanso na di tudwa na ochie ma ye first year student ye public tertiary institution ni na no omo ye diploma any degree programs ni ye ade ye betwi omo kesan se mfimpi mienu ni aduonu na ene mfimpi mienu ene aduonu academic year no ade student loan trust fund ye no fee stress policy nim no omo obomodin ase bibia so ebetimi akoye no omo so omo ho etimi ahenha wom na we na CEO yi edi tuja abra no omo ye 29th annual delegate congress eno course teacher training association of Ghana ye eastern region ene ye greater Accra zone eno course Presbyterian Women's College of Education ebri endra bna kotoni mabo semini de to so du miensa mfimpi mienu ene aduonu ni mo chese ye no fee stress yi de ebetimi aboente wo say ye school ni bia bomode anoko register sane ebe ye omo ka bi home nu so ebetimi ahu sane kwan ombefa so asika no betimi atwa bi ede ama wo modern sem say edi tuja.
Consequently, I am happy to announce, I put out a formal statement yesterday, but I would announce it to you because I believe that most of the beneficiaries are here seated, that the Student Loan Trust Fund will be reimbursing all first-year students of public tertiary institutions for their academic visa fees for the 2024-2025 academic year. We have developed a portal called the No Fees First portal, and it is live now on nofeesfirst.sltf.gov.gh, or you can simply also visit our website. I encourage all of you to register urgently so we can fast-track disbursements. It is my hope that as early as next month, we will be able to start reimbursements to first-year students. Ladies and gentlemen, we have spoken about policy, and it is my opinion that while policies create the enabling environment for reimagined teacher education, they must be matched by improved practice to be effective. We can make all the good policies we want, but if we do not marry it with practice, our efforts will be counterproductive. The world as we know it is changing. Technology, global interconnectedness, and the evolving needs of society are reshaping how and what we teach. We cannot afford to cling to outdated models. we must reimagine teacher education to reflect the competences, the values, and the innovation needed in today's classrooms. Reimagining teacher education also means updating curricula to be more responsive. It means integrating technology in pedagogy. It means preparing teachers to not only instruct, but to inspire, innovate, and to lead. Our colleges of education must be equipped not just to train teachers, but to nurture change makers.
Eniya Utiye, Chief Executive Officer at the Student Loan Trust Fund, Dr. Sajida Chiraj. Nenuechi and Madam Cynthia Enim, on Principal at the Presbyterian Women's College of Education. Edi Tujano Okasa Fatima Neda program Nano and Neye, Reimagine Teachers Education in Ghana. Policy, practice, any partnership, no chemu say, and yes, some ya keke name who here some percent or mon yes and some more how be brea. I was some to me a son, no, not that she be so no, or most bet to me, I Juma Senior, Senat me a more munim dear, any adrein, any yan some to bet to me a dear Dijuma. When no chairman, not just a year trainee teachers no, or more normal classroom one man, not classroom na yet to say a construction, a size, at the amawo. Now, drink any panel so edition, dear no aye breaks any mortar, not just or more buana or my Ghana, a Dutch no, met to me, SC, a dino eddy amawo.
Imaging teacher education in Ghana. Policy, practice, and partnership is not just timely, but it is urgent. It challenges us to step beyond traditional expectations and envision a new figure in which we, as 21st century educators, are not just conveyors of knowledge, but touch-bearers of transformation. As teacher trainees, you are more than instructors. You are architects of society. The classroom is our construction site, and the minds of our people are the bricks and mortar which will build Ghana's future. As such, the call upon our lives is both noble and sacred. Professionalism and maturity must be our daily garments. We must be disciplined in our conduct, principled in our decisions, and purposeful in our pursuits. Let us hold ourselves to the highest ethical standards, not only because the world is watching, but also because the children who will sit in our classrooms will learn more than our character, will learn more from our character, than from our talk. Now
Yay. I am Madam Cynthia Enimon, Principal at the Presbyterian Women's College of Education. Enwechi and Teacher Trainee Association of Ghana President at the Eastern and Greater Accra sector. Kingsley Ayete adding some to Jano Chemu say, their sector no mudio muhu shemu ye papa sanya beya sikasam so no who here colleges ni ye pa sans or muhia lecture hall or muhia ya digital resources near the adinessance and near me wo school mu honum no enya de ekoye na yet to be a woman de enya cranting kabeya our son mo share sanya and some no air kono sanya beya betimi aso ano.
Mama said, the harder the struggles, the more glorious the triumph. And notwithstanding our accomplishments, we are faced with several challenges, including financial constraints. Mr. Chairman, the source of income for the association has always been from our dues. The proceeds from these dues always take care of our administrative expenses, making it difficult for the association to meet other financial obligations. This has limited the sector's ability to fund certain projects and programs as well as initiatives. Another significant challenge is the absence of secretariat and inadequate logistics, such as laptops, projectors, and printers, which makes coordinating events trainings and administrative running of the Secretariat very, very difficult. Upon assuming office, we inherited limited assets from the previous executives, which proved insufficient for effective administration. The sector gravels with infrastructure deficits in all the colleges, including inadequate lecture halls, limited access to technology and digital resources, as well as poorly maintained recreational facilities. These deficits negatively impact the quality of education and the overall well-being of teacher trainees. Addressing these challenges required urgent attention and collective effort from stakeholders. Mr. Chairman, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as the president of the Teacher Trainees Association of Ghana, Eastern and Greater Accra sector, it is with heavy
Wuti ye Kingsley Ayeton in the Teacher Trainee Association of Ghana president Edema Eastern and Greater Accra sector. Na ne krakremu and a former deputy chief executive officer Edema Maslog Obidum bie kwabena Asamoah editu trainee teachers for ni nanim say adisiano musana so mobomodiano musia bi edikwa akire ye person said achibi no ebetimi amom ho kwan se na ebeyom so bedi dwuma soronko na nya se de omusia wo ho ne keke no musia omomodian so betimi asua bi ede aka ho.
I will start by saying that I would like to make you aware and draw your attention to the fact that the world that you are about to enter is changing, and it is changing rapidly. The rules and the norms that we've all been very accustomed to may not exist, and even if they do exist, they'll be very different from what you may be expecting once you enter the real world. Things like on-time allowances may not always be the norm. Quick postings may not be the norm. And even good salaries may be very challenging in the future. That is the reality of what we face. The world is changing, and what we all may be accustomed to or what we may wish for may not be the case. But the question is, as young people, and as teachers, what do you do to prepare yourself for this new world? And what I would advise, or I would share with you, is that as young people and as teachers, you must continue to reinvent yourself. Your ability to reinvent yourself will be absolutely critical for your success in the future. The circumstances and the challenges that you face, if you do not get ahead of those circumstances, trust me, circumstances will get ahead of you. And we live in a new world which presents many challenges, but also presents significant opportunities.
Enia Uti a former deputy chief executive officer Edema Maslog Obidum bie kwabena Asamoah na manibo yen semtro ni kontin Kofi Obo ana ede ebesumu yen Yantua Kasia Boneswe na General Overseer Edema Leaders Light International Church Apostle Dr. Samuel Kofi Dazi Edin Sama Betuja Chema African countries be 54 ni na momodian enhia masane be yon be bom paye ediama Ibrahim Traore ono ye mampani edema Burkina Faso esan se wasaga na fo asofo ni na anya asofo a African countries ni na bomodian ehia mu no mo bom paye ma no sane be yan ho ban mo ho nsam so betimi akoso esan se nipa bebre na pese omonto enhye ne so no chiema Ghana mampani odikan osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah edin sem bi betudwa or Potokasemo Ekane say, our freedom is meaningless unless it is linked up with the total liberation of Africa. Our chairman say, Otaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Epese Yen Sosu Yetimi Enya Yaho. Now, when Odi Tuja no Chema, Omampeni Edema Burkina Faso, Dia only di military by no enim, Burkina Faso Honoma, so Obomodia ye Puntujuma Bebre, Honom, and also Emma Nipani Gidi, Sanya Bay, almost so no Omoai, Omo minus so no, or metimi Abomodia, some betimi Amanakon, Nim, Sanya Bay and Puntu, so no, Ebetimi Alcohol, who Yapa, say, Ghana, software, or more African countries, Nina, Ebebomodia, Bompire, Ediaman, Sanya Bay, Betimi, Atanasia, Chanwetimi, Nema Bebre, Ede Amatimemufuano, when Odi Tuja no Chema, Western word for no. Omo Bomodia say African countries no omuntimi enya niema say Burkina Faso man penny niema bebre de ama Africa fo ene ne man ya chese obia pese won hwese ne be yen so omo so no ebetimi akọ manim so no chema Mali Niger ene Burkina Faso ya de omo ne ECOWAS for se omo twetwe niema mu esan say no Burkina Faso man penny no de France ene America fo ene di nachi ye papa ompese omo kum no ewo kwan bebre so a omuntimi enkum nintinkabe ya komo momodi enhyem no mombo mpaye enfema ya Burkina Faso mampeni sane be ono so betimi agina na watimi atena senso ache na obia ya African countries in the hu dwuma pa odi na obia so atimi etoa nanamo so di nsem sei editudwa
ami se inipa type ben media won hu se da bia no mehwehwe Africa kanko ene Africa yankabum the freedom fighters na fight for the unity of Africa no me ka ho bi the fact say me bokra record doesn't mean say ebia me yanka eniema bi ho be me de tumi nuanom asofo no mu ne ade nyina ne say osaje foko Kwame Nkrumah kan say Ghana fa ahodie no eye meaningless and I say so manfa so je say Africa nyina anya nkabomansa enti say yehwe dia eko so Burkina Faso sesia na ewo mu say oye soja ban nanso dia amaye nyina ye tie da chi sesia ne say so ye soja ban na odwene ne manfo ho ne manfo yi edie ho no yehwe social media yehu adwuma pa oye no na akire se esese ye nyina ye bompa ye ma no na onyinche maye. Number 2, uhwe assassination attempts nko akono so a na yehu kakra na ebisa se uhwe akura Niger, Mali and Burkina Faso na break from the ECOWAS. Adentina Burkina Faso president Nkwana sa assassination attempts no kono because abrofo na hu say anhwe yi a ebefa no so ma African kabom ene Africa fa ahodie aba nti wo hwa Ibrahim Traoré ogina osaje fo Kwame Nkrumah Sankara ene wanwa na hwehwe Africa nkabomu no ogira wanwa fa nti na ama ye nyina enya menko a utie social media ne ade ne a wobehu se
Enwechi ana osato asu na okase ose ye pa se Burkina Faso ene Russia fo aka bom se ne be yomo soso betimi akontokwa na eya ahobanbo ho samatimi akoso ewo honom na nipa bebre na kanka ne eya America ne France fo hu se ya Russia ene Burkina Faso fo na aka bom se ne be yomo betimi akoni to mu sure san so mu nim pa se koba Russia ne Burkina Faso no mo ka bom di anya ade am betimi wom
nyami hu bebre esan say for now no sometimes you say you have to choose between two evil sanka papa nankasa ho odin ana Burkina Faso fu ho odin ebetumi abo president ne oman ne ho ban afi France and US no mo nsema enka nde ya nhia obi so beboa no na emom no say no ne one wo kono all dancing because within short time at this assassination attempts na ban say when you be I no so more den say a mine and na kono amfa won antwero for the meantime na woyɛ dan a wɔn bɛyi no afiri hɔ nom sɛnea wɔyɛ Sankara ne Nkrumah nom nipa bi no Gaddafi nom ɛno nti sesi a ne deɛ yɛnka sɛ ɛyɛ yɛ ni gye bebree sɛ ɔde no ho bata Russia but mɛka ne sɛ for now that is the option a ɛbɛtumi ama at least no watena ase ama yɛn ama ne banbɔ because America hu sɛ Russia ne other countries be support to at least one be bohu kakra afa nneɛma because esi a no wokɔ kana so waka Russia waka we nti no one be sesen ama at least no wakyɛ ne nim sɛ papa we odi bɛyɛ 10 years kura wa konwa no so a African countries bebree ɛso be free France no ɛhyɛ nase Togo no one keka ho ni nyina na wo hwɛ waves no so a say be medwan years or whatever no but one speeches even in Ghana President Mahama kura hwɛ ni speeches be all ma who say he has been impressed by the move of Ibrahim Traore.
Eniya wuti ye Dr. Samuel Kofi Dadzie on apostle our general overseer of Leaders Light International Church. Na yankin kai madwin kyerɛ ni bie we free piaga anochema NDC for the yade on ba be collapse Ghana kran san na omako opposition won fimpi mienu ene aduonu watwinim when so efreye kobi Asamoah no say good afternoon Agyei Sikapa great news keep it up thank you so much we free Richard Ashe say good afternoon to you Adwoa Agyei Sikapa Osi news no official na ye the part say anomanam Osi opese won hia opese on we hye nhwa bakwadwo sami bi say ahunso pani speedy recovery na Nyankopon emmo ne ho ban se ne be ya ne ho ebetimi atono ententem otie ye DJ Ghanaian eno wo gbetire station hono DLFM annex we so efreye Kofi Parliament ana say Sami Jamfi osi de onimnya sapa na obane say oh dia wo osi wo hye de free agona bobikuma apa no chema Sami Jamfi asem no ana opese onkyerechiremu na me fa birthday we entwa to wa bra me de kasebo no esie we free DJ Afiba osi happy birthday enkoma miss Priscilla sewa free fa osi we free wa wadan for sewa odro ana okaso odo ye papa na ya wa wude de Nyankopon hia na onye wo kese onye wo mfra adumu nkwa adumu na onye wakoma so di nyina emfa amount happy birthday once again miss Priscilla sewa free fa we free wan kase wadan for sewa odro na anekwan bema emre bema yekwan ne de agyemensem kasebo no edi asi kasebo nim semufo Miss Mabel Entry Kofitela edemeko Facebook ne so sanso ana DJ Omarion ebobo me voices no ede emame me amede kasebo yi ebesom edi ameje so ane Adwoa Agyei Sikapa na me sorry so na Adwoa Silky akyere mu hima efifi mu hima radio mu ya santua Michael Jackson ene na pamfo Kwame Afum ene sexy journalist ede DL our dwumadie no ebesom.
DL News.